Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these annoying sound makers, and they just make like a noise. So yeah, you can change the dimensions, but I'm just going to show you how to make one like this. Alright, so the supplies that we need are, sorry I didn't have it out, an X-Acto knife, scissors, a ruler, and some duct. So this will take about 8 inches of tape, so it's not that much if you don't get what you're expecting. It's not such a magic loss. So what you're going to do, and I need to cut off the end because it's not don't know how it is. Cut a 7-inch strip of tape, and then cut 2 half-inch strips of tape. You could probably get away with 1, but 2 will make it more secure. And you're going to take your half-inch strips, and you can just set those aside, because you shouldn't need them for a while. Okay, next you're going to take your ruler and cut this in half. And make a band with these. I'll show you how to do that. So what you do is you take one of these, turn it upside down, you fold the top edge up, like so, and then you fold the remaining sticky part over. And try to make these bands the same size, and try not to get air bubbles in them. I'll just make them look nicer. So you should just get one of these, and you're going to repeat that step with the other side of the tape. Okay, and you're going to take these and you're going to lay them on top of each other. And just pinch together the ends to make sure that it works, and make sure it goes about like that. And okay, and mine works, so I don't know any instance in which it wouldn't work. And I put the seam side facing inwards just to make it look prettier. And then you're going to just wrap your half-inch pieces of tape around the ends, on the ends. Like so. And you can trim off any excess that you might have. And then to ensure that it works every time instead of just going like that, you can take your hand and just do a little crease there, and it will always go outward. And that is how you make one of these annoying sound makers. You can do them in like a ton of different ways. You can even make them look clear, probably. They wouldn't have quite the same sound, probably, because clear tape is a lot thinner. But that is how you make an annoying sound maker. I came up with this on my own. It was sort of an accident. If somebody else did something the same, like something a lot like this, then either they did it from this video or they could have come up with it on their own, because I definitely did not look up how to make an annoying sound maker with duct tape. It was just sort of an accident, and it's pretty cool. You can just like change the dimensions and make it like bigger, and it'll probably make a louder noise. So that's pretty cool. And that's all. Bye. Thanks for watching.